Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. And if you feel our videos are valuable for you and you are getting some insight from these videos, please make sure to share in your SAP circle. So in today's session, we will discuss like how we can resolve this SAP real-time ticket. So if you are like doing practice or in the real time you are working, you might face this issue, this error. You are trying to create a BP, but you are facing this error, like you can see here. Yeah, so you can see here, company code not assigned to CR to calculation procedure. And this is a message number, error message number here. And here you can see a diagnosis is like an error occurred when checking the text code, either the assignment of a company code and country or of a country and calculation procedure is not correct. And here you can see the procedure and diagnosis for that. So let's see how we can do that. And I'm getting this error, I'm facing this ticket error at the time of creating BP, business partner. But you can also face that same issue, that same error message when you are trying to create a PO, purchase order, or you are trying to post a GR in Migo. So at that time also you can face that same issue. So procedure will be same to resolve that. Let's see how we can resolve that. So you can directly go through the T code, transaction code, or you can also go through the path in SPRO. So let's see one by one both options. So let me go with path. So just use T code /o SPRO. I'm going to open one more session for that, and I will use a T code SPRO for that. So hit enter and go to implementation guide, and here just go to this node financial accounting. So just click on this financial accounting node and simply just go to this tax. So this node, just go to this, you can see from here itself. Yeah, so let me go to this bank accounting, account receivable and account payable. So just go to this node account receivable and account payable. Yeah, so just go to financial accounting node. After that, just go to financial accounting global setting, and in that you can see tax on sales and purchase. So just go in this node, just execute to basic setting. So just click on that, and here you need to go to this calculation procedure. So here you can see two nodes are there. One is check calculation procedure and another one is assign country region to calculation procedure. So let me go to that second option, second node, assign country region to calculation procedure. So just execute in that, and here itself you can see like countries are assigned with some tax procedure. So how I'm going to assign a tax procedure with my country? So first of all, I should be aware like what's my what's my country. Okay, so how can I check that? So simply just go to that same BP, and here itself you can see, so from where I can check my country also. Yeah, so like from here you can't see. So one you can use a T code OBY6 to check that. So just use T code OBY6 and hit enter, and just go to position, and here just give your company code here. So that's my company code ATMC, hit enter. This is my company code, and just go to details. So here itself you can see everything related to your company code, like your company code, a charter of account, country, language, everything. You can, each and every detail you can see from here. So like I just want to see currency. So currency is that SAR, and if I want to see the country also, so from here I can see, SA, that's for Saudi Arabia. So let me check for Saudi Arabia. So here itself, just go to this screen again and just go to position and country is SA. So from there you can cross verify like which country do you have for your company code. So hit enter. Now you can see from here itself. So like any procedure is not assigned to that, any calculation procedure is not assigned to that that country South Africa. So that's the reason we are getting that error, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign a tax procedure to this. So simply I will assign this tax procedure. So whatever tax procedure you have defined, you can assign simply to like respect to your country. So in that case, my country is Saudi Arabia. So I'm just assigning this tax procedure to that. So hit enter and save it, right? So you can also check your tax procedure, that calculation procedure. So you can also check that calculation procedure in this node, like check calculation procedure. So just execute in that and just go to that define procedure. So here itself you can see your tax procedure. So this is my tax procedure. So this is my like calculation procedure, you can say. So this is my calculation procedure. Once I click that and just double click on control data, here I can see all these details, right? And you can also define from here. If you just want to create your own, you can go to new entry and you can create a new one. Okay, so whatever like in real time also, that's done by FI CEO or FI consultant. So whatever FI consultant have created the tax procedure for your company, you just need to assign that to your country. Okay, so that we will do in this node, assign country region to calculation procedure. So here just go to position and just give your country or region and just hit enter, and here itself you can assign up that calculation procedure. So that's a calculation procedure that I have assigned there, right? And just hit enter and save. Okay, and you can also do that, like we have seen that we have completed that in SPRO by just going through the path, but you can also do that by just using T code. Simply you can use a T code OBBG. So just use OBBG T code and you can you will directly come to this screen. So and just go to position and just select a country here and just assign that like calculation procedure to your country, right? And hit enter and save. So directly also you can access that by just using a T code OBBG, and you can also do that in SPRO in backend and through the path you can go and you can do that, right? Now we will try to create a BP. So let me try to create a BP. So just check, right? Check it. Now just see, I'm not getting that error. Okay, that error is resolved. So let me give that company code data and let me check. First edit the standard address with error, right? So in standard data we just make some, yeah, language is not there. So just select a language from here. So let me select any language. So let me select English. So just select it and just click on check. Now it's, you can see this, that's a error free. Now I can see that error is resolved. Just check it. So this error is resolved. So I can save this and I can create a BP. I can maintain that all data. Okay, so I can create a BP if I want to maintain that like purchasing data also. So I will just select that view from here itself, that FLVN01, and that I will select from here, and I will just hit enter from here, right? And here itself what I will do, I will just click on purchasing view, and here this is the purchase organization, and hit enter. And here let me give my currency, hit enter and say, let me click on check to see is there any error. So you can see data of business partner is error free. Now I can easily create a BP, business partner. So same you can face at the time of creating PO or doing the GR. So procedure will be same to resolve that. In OBBG you can simply resolve that, right? So this we are seeing in latest version of SAP S4 HANA, S4 HANA 2023. Okay, so if you are getting this type of error in ECC or in previous version of S4 HANA, because you can see here it's S4 HANA 2023. If you are facing that same error in like previous version of S4 HANA, procedure will be exactly same. So you can resolve that error by just doing these steps. So you can simply resolve that error or ticket. So if you are able to resolve this error, please make sure to like this video and share in your SAP circle, and don't forget to hit bell icon so that you can get the videos earliest possible whenever we just post a new video on our YouTube channel.